Let's talk to everyone about online distance learning and organization. For my part, I think the key is communication. Communicate often. Be a real positive presence for your students, and if you're a student, be a positive presence for your friends and for your teacher. Let your opinions known. Participate in discussions. Be there. Communicate. Okay, my part. After this, I just want to let you know that I'm going to Tashi Station to buy some power converters with my droids. Alright, the key for me is relationships as organization for online learning. You have to always be understanding, have lots of empathy, and be charitable towards others. Sometimes technology might not work. Like that red droid my Uncle Owen was gonna buy. He didn't work either. Relationships are the key. Danger, Will Robinson, danger! You may have heard me say this in my TV show and movie Lost in Space, but I'm here to warn you about some pitfalls of organization and how to get around them. Well, here are 5 suggestions, and you'll see these on the slide. E-folders with subject binders, calendars, schedules, the hour of power, and tech time. But also remember, watch your mental health and the time that you invest in organization. Remember, prioritize, authorize, reconceptualize. Captain's log. Stardate 2021 127. I'm here to talk to you today about strategy because you've got to have them. First strategy is a tech one. I like to work with 3 devices. That's right. If you can make it work, have one for synchronous communication, 2 for information uploads and scheduling, and 3, one for immediate verification. Usually this communicator I call a cell phone. Next, what's your growth strategy? You can't just sit in one place. Prepare yourself. Engage and evaluate. Assess and adjust. Organizing for online learning is an evolving process. Hey, it's Mr. Von Volte's avatar. Thanks very much for watching my video on online distance learning and organization. I just want to leave you with a couple of things today. Firstly, keep the lines of communication open and have as many channels of communication as possible. Always seek feedback from those around you. Be steadfast in your standards. Approach online learning with humility and creativity. Always keep current and know how to adapt to situations that can come up very quickly. Having a plan B, C, and D is really important. And most of all, let your positive presence be felt. Keep it real. Thank you for watching.